Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can instantly add a paper stroke outline to your body in a video or photos on CapCut. So here I'm using a photo as an example, and after that you just need to go to the body effect, click on effect first, body effect, and here click on the stroke category. So under here, find the paper stroke effect, this one. Click on that and adjust it as you like. You can adjust the texture, the size of the stroke, the range, okay, and also the atmosphere. So you can just adjust it as you like. After you're done, click on the check icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. And don't forget to click on the thanks button. Bye.